My name is Jessica Jahn. I am a psychiatric nurse practitioner. I work with children in the psychiatric field. I've been doing that for 13 years, working with kids. It was kind of an accident how I got into it, but I ended up loving it. I love working with children. Children bring forth an honesty with them, and working in mental health, which now is needed more than ever, is really rewarding, not just for the patient, the child, but for me as well. I began working as a nurse in 2009, and shortly thereafter began working with children and adolescents in the acute psychiatric inpatient setting. Since that time, I've gone on to further my education and take on the provider role, and being able to continue to work with children and adolescents, which is what is really my passion and what I know best, is really, I'm really excited about doing that. I think it's so crucial at this time, as many of us are aware, with everything, the consequences of the pandemic and isolation, kids being out of school, a lot of our kids are struggling. And I think this is a time that's really highlighting the needs of children and adolescents in our area. And being able to help provide those services is really rewarding for me. I'm from Louisville. I grew up here. I live with my husband, who is from Los Angeles, and my two daughters, and they keep me very busy, driving them around all the time. In my spare time, I get to take care of our 4 dogs, our pot-bellied pig, our 2 rosy boas, and our leopard gecko.